Welcome October from Spiky. Look. Aw, black cats in October. We're doing great this morning. There you go, Spiky. Good morning. Welcome October. And then we got Piper and Pepper. Good morning, ladies. How is everybody? Yes. Yes. Yes, you're welcome, Pepper, of course. Piper, what do you say? Nothing? You say nothing? There you go. There you go. There you go. Guys, enjoy. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Let's get Sid Vicious. There you go, Spiky. Good boy. He's a good boy, kitty. Yeah, you're a good boy. Welcome October, you guys. You guys excited? It's October. October. Kitties, October. And it's Sid Vicious. We're going to do our best to try to get him hanging out with the other kitties today. Hopefully he doesn't try to fight him. There you go, Buck. Good morning. Thanks for watching, you guys. And subscribing. Enjoy your breakfast. Enjoy your breakfast. See you later. Thanks for watching and subscribing.